All right, this is question number 2 from the 2017 AB exam. And this is a pretty standard rates question. The grocery store opens, it has 50 pounds of bananas at time 0 when it opens. And then customers remove the bananas at a rate modeled by f of t, and that's between 0 and 12. And then they're added at the rate g of t between 3 and 12. So something to just see there, the bananas don't start getting added back until time 3. That's probably going to be important at some point. Okay, part A. How many pounds of bananas are removed from the display during the first 2 hours the store is open? So we're only interested in what's being removed. We don't care what it started with, and we don't care what got added, if anything got added. We just care about how much got removed. So that's simply integrating the rate that it gets removed at. So the integration from 0 to 2 of f of t is equal to 20.051 pounds. Okay, and something to notice throughout here, all of my decimal answers are to 3 decimal places. That's what AP wants. All right, part B, find f prime of 7 and explain what it means. Okay, so on a non-calculator, when you'd have to actually derive and plug in 7, this was a calculator question, so you would just like math 9 and type it in, evaluate it at 7, and you get negative 0.8120 pounds per hour squared, right? Because F was already in pounds per hour. So if you derive something in pounds per hour, then it's like pounds per hour, which means pounds per hour squared. Okay, and then what does it mean? Well, this guy's negative, okay? And F by itself is already a rate. So like a good way to say the rate of the rate is to use the first word rate and then talk about if that particular rate is increasing or decreasing, because increasing and decreasing implies a rate, okay? So the rate at which customers are removing bananas is decreasing by 8.120 pounds per hour squared. Part C is the number of pounds of bananas on display on the display table increasing or decreasing at time 5, and then give a reason. Okay, that's the rate they're being removed. I just plugged a 5 into the f function. That's the rate they're being added. I just plugged a 5 into the g function. They're obviously being removed faster than they're being added, so the number of pounds is decreasing as f of 5 is greater than g of 5. And then part D, how many pounds of bananas are on the display table at time t equals 8? Okay, you started with 50 minus what the customers took away, right? I integrated the rate that they were being taken away plus the rate that they're being added. And note right there, that's a 3. They don't start getting added back until time 3. And at that point on this one, it's button pushing, okay? And you end up with 23.347 pounds.